Well, it feels like a good time to make some stuff up. So I'm strategizing on this log and trying to figure out how I'm going to cut this, given the shape of it, and the growth of it was really odd. It grew up and then kind of headed out, so it has a lot more. The distance from here to here for that to get to the pith is a whole lot different than the width over there. So I was trying to figure out how I wanted to cut this to where it would kind of maximize the clean wood, and with the taper, has a pretty significant taper down to this end, and you can see how wide that part is from here to here compared to how wide it is from here to here. And so I think what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to roll this over. I think when I roll it over, that as I come down, I'll drop from here, I drop 1 inch, and it'll take that, and then I drop 1 more inch. And I think if I drop 2 inches, I will just about get to right here on the log on this side. So I think the next, I'm going to roll it that way, clockwise from where I'm sitting right now, and see if I can cut that. And then I think just let that be the bottom, and it'll work out however, I suppose. But the idea, the difference, I don't know if I could make this happen, make it square, but you can see as I come out, and if I get to here, see if I can get that to pretty much line up with the opposing side right here. So same thing, when I flip the log, I'll index it, which I'll find the nearest 1 inch mark somewhere in here, and then I'll drop 1 inch, and then I'll cut it, and then I'll drop 1 more inch and cut it, and by then I should be into all of this as clean wood. Then on these pieces that I take out, I'll actually put them back on the mill and just take the bark edges off. So these will get custom cut to the widths that just takes the bark away. That's the plan anyways. We'll see how that goes. I saw this pipe trick on Facebook on the Woodland Mills group, so I'm gonna give it a try. Just cut a couple of scraps that I had, and they're a little long, but this should help rolling over the log.